Yes, Lord Sidious.
General Grievous, I suggest you move the Separatist leaders to I suggest you move the Separatist leaders to General. Move the Separatist leaders to Mustafar.
It will be done, my lord. It will be done, Lord Sidious.
I don't want this stunted slime in my sight again.
Yes, my lord.